So I'd like to do a little review of the InnoGear mic boom arm. I like it. I recommend it. I went out originally to buy Rode because Rode is awesome. However, I took a look at the price and $189, $179. That's a fair bit of money. Some of them are $238. That's a fair bit of money. Didn't have it at the time, so I bought this, which is $52. At that time, it was like, yeah, it was about a third the price or something. So anyway, so I like it. It's easy to install. Go back and forth like this. I have my cable going down like this because the cable's short that I have. That's the cable I bought for the microphone. You'll find that they have a really good way of hiding the in here and down here. You can hide the wire. So if I bought a nice long one, that would be the case. So I like it. There is one issue with it, and that's if you put the microphone up here. There we go. Let's say you like your microphone like this. And no matter how tight you make this one, that microphone is going to fall eventually. It's like if you move it over here. Whoop. And there you go. So I leave it hanging down here. And it works quite nice for me. There is one thing with the little, let me see if we've got a picture. Okay, so down here, you'll see, oops, we'll go here. You see there's a clamp, and it's a maximum of 2 inches. They recommend, and it's in the instructions, that you have a solid wood surface. I don't. Mine's sort of a plastic that's a little, it's hard for practical use, but it's actually soft. So mine doesn't sit quite right, but that's not the fault of the arm. It needs a good solid wooden table. And the table I bought isn't a solid wooden table. So sometimes it leans a bit. When I pull it over here, sometimes it will really lean. And that's because of the it's not a solid enough table. However, I find it's good enough for my needs. I don't try to stretch it too far. I try to keep it about like this. So yeah, so I'm very, I love this arm, basically. Here we go. So I think it's worth the money. If you want to spend the other on a Rode, feel free. But if you have a smaller budget like I do, this is a good choice. Thank you for your support. Of course, you can like, subscribe, and watch more videos.